In this video tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of changing your age on Facebook. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device. Once the app is open, tap on the menu icon to access the settings. In the menu, tap on a gear icon to navigate to Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on See More under Account Center to access the Meta Account Center. Here, tap on Personal Details to view your current birthday information. To edit your birthday, tap on Edit. You can then select the month, day, and year to update your age. Once you've made the necessary changes, tap on Save to confirm the new birthday. It's important to note that the birthday you change here will be updated across all the accounts and profiles within the Meta Account Center. Any modification you make will be applied uniformly. And that's all! So, there it is. Thank you for your watching.